everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day and a great weekend. So I just received my September Glossy Box. So I really enjoyed last month's Glossy Box, so I hope this month is good. Glossy Box is $21 a month, and you get mostly like deluxe size items, but last month I feel like we got a decent amount of full size items. For the price point, like it, since it's $21, I always tend to compare it to BoxyCharm, and I think for sure BoxyCharm wins, but Glossy Box generally is a pretty good box. So it always comes in this pink box here, and it's like good quality. You can reuse this if you want to. But yeah, let's get started. I of course will leave the link down below if you're interested. Oh, so when I open it, so you can see the box is like a cute inside as well. There's like a question mark. I wonder if that's like the theme. I don't know. I have no idea what the theme is. I did not watch any spoilers or read any spoilers, I should say. So yeah, it's like a mystery box. Aren't they always mystery boxes? So inside, let's see what it says. It says, unwrap your mystery glossies. This month is full of show-stopping surprises our experts have seen on and off the runway. From the backstage prep to the daily auditions, we've discovered the coveted secrets of models to bring to you at the start of fashion season. We can't wait to see you strut your stuff with our bold eyeliner, plump effortlessly with our primer, and enjoy our special surprise for you this month. After all, who doesn't love a bit of mystique for the catwalks of our lives? Okay, so I guess mystery is the theme. And then it shows all the products on the other side, so I will reference this throughout. Whoa, it looks like might have some good stuff in here. And everything is wrapped up in tissue, so let's get that open. I'm filming pretty late. I feel like my lighting looks really off in this video, so if it is, I apologize. I'm hoping to get back to like a regular filming schedule soon. I've been kind of missing days. I've just been busy, so sorry about that. So inside, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna grab the first two things I see. I'm guessing this is like shampoo and conditioner. Yes, so this is by Grow Gorgeous R&R Rescue and Repair Shampoo and Conditioner for Damaged Hair. This is what the packaging looks like. So this, of course, I don't think this is full size, but it's bigger than a sample. It says the full size, wait, it says they are full size on here. This is full size 50 mLs and the full size value is $18. And that is for, I don't know if that's for both of them. I guess if it's $15 for these together, that makes sense. But on the back of it, it says use as part of your rescue and repair routine to help repair and fortify, making hair nourished, hydrated, and strong. I don't really need any shampoo or conditioner right now, but I do like getting these smaller sizes for travel purposes. There's a safety seal on it. I'm just gonna open it so we can see what the smell is, but yeah, I never really get excited about getting shampoo and conditioner. I did get excited about getting that one, like the Amika like detox shampoo, that like jelly shampoo they got in the Test Tube Beauty Box. I used that today actually. I really like that, but okay, I'm struggling to get this open. Okay, I don't know why I can't get it open right now, but I realized I can smell it from right here, and it smells really good actually. I don't know what, let's see if it says on here what the smell is. So with ingredients including sea satin, amino acids, and bamboo extract, this duo from Grow Gorgeous works to fortify damaged hair from excessive bleaching and heat styling. Perfect for post-summer care, this set leaves your hair stronger and soft than ever before. So this is what the sheet looks like, if you're wondering. Spoiler. And it looks like we have a full-size lippy, I think. Let's see, this is by Contour Cosmetics. So it's always great getting so this, yeah, so this is a matte liquid lipstick in Juju, and it has a retail value of $29. That's a lot for a liquid lipstick. That's more than like luxury brands, right? What makes this so special? It says, when you want luscious lips in a flash, this liquid lipstick is your secret weapon. With its intense pigmentation, even application, and have a puckered pout you've always wanted every time. $29. Okay, got all the plastic off. It doesn't really have a scent. Oh, it is a really pretty color. I'll give it that. That's like a perfect color for every day. Yeah, I have gloss on right now, so I'm not going to put this on right now, but maybe I'll put this on before I go out later. Let's see. So it says when apply a tiny bit of lip balm before matte lipstick so your lips don't dry out. Nothing ruins a perfect pout more than chapped lips. Okay. So again, yeah, pretty color. That's awesome. We got a full size item. Ooh, there's something in here by Toka. I haven't. Oh my God, is this a little candle? I hope so. Or what is this? This is the mystery item. Toka Montauk Salt Air Cucumber. They have really good hand creams. And everything they have smells super good. And I don't see it on the sheet, so I think this is my mystery item. It says this item is a complete mystery until unboxing. Here you'll receive one out of 7 items randomized for an extra wow factor this month. Oh man, and it is a little candle. I love candles so much. You guys know that. Oh, it smells so good. It smells just like what the name implies, like sea salt and cucumber, like very refreshing. This is so awesome. I'm glad this is my mystery item. I'll definitely use it. So candles, always will use. Love them. All right, next up, what is this? By Avant, the Pro-Collagen, Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer. Oh yeah, they did hint that we get a primer in here. So this is 30 mLs and it has a retail value of $103. It says the featured size is 30 mLs and the featured value is $103. This is $103? What? That's crazy. It says get the extra perk up for your next makeup application with this lovely primer from Avant. With natural ingredients, this PETA approved primer will stimulate your collagen like a fresh dermatologist visit. Tip: mix a bit of BB cream with your primer for a natural look and minimal coverage. Use a finishing powder to reduce shine on your T-zone. I've never used anything $103 like in my makeup care. Like I think the most expensive foundation I use is like $68. What? That's crazy. I feel like I shouldn't even like swatch any of this because it's so expensive. But oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to use this in a video soon. I have like glitter all over my hand. I must have swatched something earlier. I mean, it feels nice. I mean, you can't even see anything. I don't know why I'm showing you. It doesn't seem like it has a scent. That's crazy though. That's the most expensive primer I've ever heard of. I've never even heard of this brand before. Have you guys? Avant? And have you guys tried this? I'm so curious about it. That is so expensive. We have one more item in here, and I feel like we get this brand so often in subscription boxes, but this is the Eyeko London Fat Liquid Eyeliner in black. This is a fat eyeliner. So it says full size as featured, and the full size value is $22. London's calling, and their cruelty-free eye makeup brand is here to keep your cat eyes smudge-proof, budge-proof, and utterly foolproof for any catwalk. Say hello, hello, and hello to long-lasting lines. Now pose. Wow, okay. And it says, when taking a smiling photo, it's all in your eyes and smile. A genuine smile can be seen easily from the corners of your eyes, so don't hesitate to flash a grin. So their tip is to smile. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'll use this or not. It's possible this might go into a giveaway, so I'm not going to open it right now. I don't like gravitate towards eyeliners often. I was thinking about the other day, do you want to like try and do like more different types of eye looks? Like maybe like try a wing liner. Like I can't even remember last time I did a wing liner. So maybe I'll try this out. I don't know, but it's possible it could be an upcoming giveaway because, you know, we always have giveaways here on our channel. So this box wasn't bad. It was not the best ever. So like I said, like getting a shampoo and conditioner, this is nice to have. It does smell really good. I'll probably won't use this till I like travel or something like that because I have a bunch of shampoo and conditioner at the moment. Then look, we got this eyeliner, $103 primer. I am like, how can anything be worth that much money? Like this better like do something. If it really does like help my skin, that will be awesome. At the same time, it's like, what if I fall in love with this? I'm not gonna repurchase $103, or I don't want to at least. But yeah, I'm super curious about using this. So this is awesome. Getting a full-size lip product is awesome as well, and I think that's a really pretty color that I will definitely get use out of, so that's awesome. And I love my mystery item. It is teeny, but it'll probably burn for a decent amount of time. It smells really good, so I like Toka products. I haven't used them in a while, but I loved their hand creams in the past. So yeah, overall, I think this is a pretty good box. So if you guys get Glossybox, let me know what was your mystery item. I think that's cool. There's 7 different variations. It's like a pretty decent amount of variation. So I'd love to hear what you guys got down below. And do you guys think this box is worth $21? I'd love to hear that as well. So anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. Sorry if I seem a little tired. I'm filming later and the lighting's off, all that. I just wanted to get a video up. So hopefully this will be up later tonight, if not tomorrow. But I'm going to be back to a regular schedule super soon, hopefully. But anyways, I love you guys so much. I hope you're having an amazing weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.